Assalamualaikum. Dear learner, welcome to see the online class Dimla Secondary and Higher Secondary Online Education. I am Jahidul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Dholpur Adarsh School and College. Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Now we are facing a global crisis, coronavirus. So we are very active and neat and clean, and everybody took part a washing hand minimum 20 seconds. Now we return our class. Today's topics is class 9 and 10 English first paper, unit 3, lesson 4b. Every student must read out the passage. I hope you facing some new words. International Mother Language Day. Now I solve your problems. Please look at the blackboard. Throw out in every part. Throw out in every part. Hold. Entire. Antonyms. Now fire. Remember it. Remember it. Recollection. Recollection. Memory. Memory. Memorial. Memorial. Antonyms. Forgetting. Occasion. Occurrence. Occasion. Occurrence. Happening. Event. Happening. Event. You find mourning, grief or sorrow. Grief or sorrow. Antonyms: joyful or joy. Antonyms: joyful or joy. Recall, call back. Recall, call back. Mind, remember, remember. Antonyms: forget. Antonyms: forget. Batch, distinctive marks. Distinctive marks. Pray, ask, earnestly, solicit. Promote, advance, advance. Raise, elevator. Antonyms: disgreat. Diversity, different, different. Diversity, different. Variety. Antonyms: similarity. Culture. Do you know of culture? Artistic. Culture, artistic. It is a good part of this passage. Always time you remember this vocabulary. Now you need it. Make some MCQ or multiple choice question. MCQ or multiple choice question. You need minimum 4 alternatives. You need minimum 4 alternatives. We discuss it's about next day. Please try out and find out the meaning in Bengali in your note khata. Now I revise again. Throw out in every part. Throw out in every part. Hold. Entire. Antonyms: now fire. Remembrance, recollection. Remembrance, recollection. Memory, memorial. Antonyms: forgetting. Occasion, occurrence, happening, event. Mourning, grief, sorrow. Antonyms: joyful or joy. Joyful or joy. Recall, call back, mind, remember. Call back, mind, remember, forget. Batch, distinctive marks. Distinctive marks. Friend, ask earnestly, solicit, promote, advance, raise, elevate. Antonyms: disgrade. Diversity. Synonyms: different, variety. And antonyms: similarity. Culture. You know of culture or artistic. Again, see next day. You must know coronavirus is a carry out how many lives in the world. So you careful, and when you will go out in your home, you must wear mask. No more today. Thanks all.